Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by ensuring the headphones were paired and recently powered. That short history lets the network locate them. Open your iPhone, go to your Apple ID settings, and enable Find My and the Find My network. This gives access to crowdsourced location. Once done, keep the phone within Bluetooth range and open the Find My app. Choose Devices and tap your Beats Studio Pro. This initiates the location request and readies the device to report its last known position to you. You now follow the map pin or wait for a live update from the Find My network. That crowdsourced hop lets nearby Apple devices relay the headset location. If the map shows a close spot, tap play sound to emit an audible tone from the Beats. Listen carefully, moving slowly and checking pockets, bags, and under cushions. If the location is farther away, tap directions to open maps and follow step-by-step navigation to the last reported coordinates, keeping Bluetooth enabled as you approach. Once you reach the location, inspect the immediate area and use play sound again. If you see the device, pick it up and power cycle to reconnect. If it's not there, mark the Beats as lost in Find My. This locks them and shows your contact message, which discourages misuse and increases recovery chances. If the device is offline, enable Notify when found so you'll be alerted when it reports. Finally, retrace your steps, contact local Lost and Found, and escalate to Apple support if needed as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.